Welcome to our STSP product functions introduction video. The STSP product has 10 buttons. The top 2 buttons adjust up and down, while the 8 buttons below can be customized for your desired controls. In the example unit, the 3rd button controls the thermostat, the 4th operates the air conditioner, the 5th controls lighting, the 6th controls the dimmer, the 7th manages curtains, blinds, the 8th controls power outlets, the 9th activates a scene, and the 10th triggers the reverse scene. To help you remember or identify each function more easily, you can request laser-etched icons from your dealer or sales consultant to be placed next to each control button. What you're seeing now, and I will explain shortly, is our STSP unit. On this screen, we are monitoring thermostat controls. After selecting the thermostat button, you can use the top buttons to increase or decrease the desired temperature. On this screen, we see air conditioner control. By pressing the corresponding button, you can turn the AC on or off. While on-off functions use the same button, temperature-based functions are adjusted using the top 2 buttons. Next, we have lighting control, able to turn lights on or off the same way. Then comes the dimmer control. After opening the dimmer screen, you can adjust dimmer levels with the top buttons. Here we see curtain/blind control. By pressing the same button again, you can open, stop, or close the curtains/blinds. Next is the power outlet control, powering sockets on or off. Here you can activate your designated scene with a single button and trigger the reverse scene with the button next to it. The functions in this STSP product are designed for different living spaces. In the example unit, the first 2 buttons adjust up, down, the 3rd is fan coil mode, the 4th toggles the fan coil, the 5th sets fan coil mode, heating, cooling. The 6th controls fan speed, the 7th toggles general lighting, the 8th controls the chandelier, the 9th is makeup room, MUR, and the 10th is do not disturb, DND. We will explain MUR and DND shortly. Pressing the 3rd fan coil mode button toggles fan coil mode on or off. The 4th button toggles the fans. The 5th button sets the heating or cooling mode of the fan coil. The 6th adjusts fan speed as desired. The 7th toggles room lighting, while the 8th toggles the chandelier. The 9th button indicates the room is ready to be cleaned, used in hotels and other similar spaces, while the 10th activates the do not disturb mode. Thanks to the versatility of STSP's functions, you'll be able to manage everything from a single control panel in your home.